So guys, good morning. Meron tayong Mazda 3. I-reset lang natin yung sa change oil guys. Para ayun, lumalabas guys. Reset natin yan guys. Ito yung mga guide dyan. Ignition on. Yan. Tapos formation tayo. Ito guys. Ito yung pipitin nyo lang para at least ilipat nyo yun. Formation tayo. Vehicle monitor status. Vehicle maintenance settings. Yan. Ito. Oil reset. Reset oil change distance. Yan. Click mo lang to. Tapos lalabas yun. Oil reset oil change distance reset natin. Yan. Ito guys pipigitin nyo lang to. Okay. Reset. Okay. Oil change distance reset. Okay. Back na natin guys. Tignan natin yung pinaggagawa natin kung okay na ba. Yan. Okay. Wala na. Thank you guys. Ingat. God bless.